because if you add email address you have to wait for OTP in email part. Okay, so let me just see my email and put it here. Okay, so the email of mine is prince of, yeah, here it is, the prince of slums. Okay, I know this is kind of weird. Okay, but skip that part. Prince, yeah, here it is, prince of slums. What more can I add? A password, yeah, it's right. So I am adding a password. You can add your password as well. I have added a password. So what will be my date of birth? Let me think. 4th July is fine. And okay, so what will be my age? Let me think. 1998. Yeah, this is good. So I'm a male, so let's sign up now. Okay, so it's taking time for signing up. So let's see what page now we are roll into. uh, it shouldn't be have taking so much time. I don't know why this is taking that much time. Let's wait, or I just click one more time. An error occurred, please try again. Let's try again. There's an error. What should we do now? I think we can add a Albert, and let's add something here. Albert Lincoln. An error occurred, please try again. So I don't know what is the problem here. What should I do now? uh, okay, so there's an error. Let me check if my internet is working or not. Face, yeah, my internet is working. So there's an other error. uh, Let me see if I can decrease my age, sorry, increase my age. An error occurred. I think there's an issue of this email address. What if I can change it? Let me see if I have any other email to show. uh, what email I can add here? I can add a email address of working face. Okay, so working face. I'm signing up. Okay, there's an error too. So I want you people to give me some time for making an other account. Okay, I think I can't access these accounts. So please please spare me some time. Okay, so this will won't take long. Okay, uh, let me make an account. I'm making this account in my mobile. Okay, so please wait till then. I'll share some more facts about Facebook. I think I can share my experience with Facebook. So so when I started using Facebook, it was a bit tricky. Okay, so